Welcome back to another video, guys. Now on this channel you are going to be seeing some amazing projects unfold, and today we are in the luxurious Emirates Hills because we've recently just taken on a brand new renovation project which we are very excited to share with you. Okay, so right over here we are working on what is called a maisonette. Okay, so this 3-bedroom townhouse which is located on one of the best golf courses in the whole of Dubai. Now we have bought this for an amazing price and we're going to be transforming this into something incredible. Okay, so for all of you golf lovers out there, for you people that want to live in one of the most prestigious prime locations in all of Dubai, then get ready because we're going to show you what's about to unfold in this new project. So as I mentioned to everybody, we source the best properties for the best prices. As you can see in this garden hasn't really done much in a very long time. Okay, so let me talk you through the process. We're going to start with what's happening right now. So the property's been purchased. Okay, now our designers are inside of there right now. They're taking as-built measurements. So we're going to go and check out what they're doing. So they're basically taking all of the exact measurements right now. Okay, and what they're going to be doing obviously is taking away those measurements, because over this design period is the time where they go away and create all of the 3D render pictures, create everything that we want to put into there, ready for the contractors to start demolition and then actually get this project underway. Okay, so welcome to the new living space. We're going to extend this. This is going to get a little bit bigger, by the way. But as you can see, for a townhouse, there's a lot of space, right? Okay, so this is what's going on here. So our contractors right now is taking the measurements, the detailed measurements of the property. So they've got all of their machines and their devices, and yeah, this allows them to accurately put everything together. So it's very interesting to watch. So to ensure precision when we're doing the design and execute this flawlessly, we bring in our survey team who take as-built measurements, because you need to remember these villas are over 15 years old. Okay, so that's what's going on right now. So to give you some perspective, all right, to show you how fast and efficiently we actually work, we transferred this property around 5 days ago, and already our team are downstairs taking the measurements and getting things started. And that's how we like to work. But look at these amazing views. This, I'm telling you, will be the best house on the street.